away, and the other watches it close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky's overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other.
We built our home out on the slopes, Pompeii beneath she lay above. And how she haunted our home, how she haunted our home. And you were a god in my eyes, above the clouds, above the skies. You were a god in my eyes, you were a god. Walking through the town, showed me the statues underground. Said just don't they look at peace. Sometimes I wish that was me, and I was the son you always had, tugging at your coat while you were sad. I was the son you always had, yeah, I was the son you always had. Head up high, she would want you to, she would want you to. Please just don't cry, hold your head up high, she would want you to, she would want you to. some things miss her just as much as you. So my father and my son, as you end what she's begun, you'll lie patient by her side, with roses red come lilies white. I was too young to understand the flowers slipping from your hands. I was too young to understand. Yeah, I was too young to understand. I was too young to understand the flowers sleeping in her hands. I was too young to understand. I was too young to understand.